Welcome to another monthly tip or trick. This one is kind of a trick, I guess. Say you're trying to glue some stuff together with super glue, and you want it to be a little bit stronger, or say you need to build up a gap. Let me see if one of these sides, this side has a little tiny bit of a gap. I know this is probably hard to see because it's all black on black, but black is the only plastic that I have. But all you need is your super glue and some baking soda. First thing you're going to do is we're going to put our little bit of super glue like we normally would on our piece and press those together. If you see that I'm pushing and there's a little tiny bit of super glue that's coming out, we're going to take a little tiny bit of baking powder, or baking soda, I'm sorry, and sprinkle along there. Get it down in there. Shake off the rest of it. And what happens is baking soda acts as a catalyst for super glue and basically dries it instantly. And say you wanted to add a little bit more reinforcement to this and kind of make somewhat of a gusset, I guess you could say. Well, you would take your super glue, put a good decent amount on there, and before it runs everywhere, take your baking soda, sprinkle on it, shake it off of there, and you can see that that is already dried, and you have a small gusset, and you can keep building on top of that. This is good for filling gaps, and this stuff is actually really strong. Like, it hardens up really, really well. And like I said, it dries instantly. Like, I just put that on there, wipe it off, no super glue on my hand, and it's built up even more. And I actually can't break that back apart. And it's just generic super glue. So you can kind of make a little bit of a mess, but it works. So that's this month's little trick. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoy these videos, make sure to leave a like. Go into my channel, check out a couple other videos. If you find a video that you like, hit the like button. If you have something to say, leave it down in the comments. And if you find a couple videos that you like, make sure to subscribe to my channel.